Today we'll be installing a spring return on a V6 controller. First we'll start with the bushing retaining screw. Place the washer on. Put a small amount of grease or lubricant on there. Fit the bushing with our 5mm Allen key. We screw it into the yoke of the handle shaft. Once it's tightened, we get the spring return, turn it over, we grease the two contact surfaces and the spring. Flip the spring return over, force it into place. We then get our 4 screws. We don't do them all up yet, just start them. Once the screws are started, with your thumb, press here to move the spring return to make proper contact with the roller bushing. Then with your T20 screwdriver, tighten the screws. And there you have it. Spring return installed.